Myself, Kavita Rajayogan, Assistant Professor, School of Management Studies, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Today, I am going to handle a topic on production management. The topic is maintenance. First, let's see what do you mean by maintenance. Maintenance is concerned with the direction and organization of resources in order to control the availability and performance of industrial plants to some specified level. If a particular equipment in an industry is maintained in a regular basis based on the direction provided, it will help to increase the efficiency of the work, and also it will minimize the idle time of the machine. Next, we are going to see the objectives of maintenance. The first main objective of maintenance is minimizing the loss of productive time because of equipment failure. If a particular plant is maintained on a regular basis, it will help equipment to run without failure, which will minimize the idle time of the equipment. And the second objective is minimizing the repair time and the repair cost. If a particular machine is maintained often, for example, if I'm going to have a two-wheeler and it is regularly serviced and maintained, there won't be any problems occurring, which will reduce the repair time and the repair cost. The third objective is efficient use of maintenance personnel and equipment. If I'm going to use trained people for maintaining, and these people are well trained and they can maintain the equipment on a regular basis, whenever the problem is been arising, they can rectify the problem with the minimum time. In that case, I can use those kind of persons very effectively. The next objective is prolonging the life of capital assets by minimizing the rate of wear and tear. As any assets we can take, such as vehicles, machines, buildings, all have to be maintained properly. If all are maintained properly, it will automatically increase the lifetime of the particular asset. The next objective is by maintaining your asset, we will be able to keep it in good working condition. And the next objective is to maximize efficiency and economy in production through optimum use of facilities. As the maintenance is done properly, it will help the machine to run with minimum breakdowns. In large manufacturing companies, they need to maintain the machines periodically with check sheets. That is, on a weekly basis, they will be having some kind of check sheets. As the machines are being maintained, if I'm going to take a large company, they'll be having at least 20 to 30 machines. In that case, and all this will be running 24/7. So if I'm going to have a check sheet wherein every week before starting the production, if I'm going to do this check sheet, I'm going to check whether oil is correct, everything is correct, and then I'm starting the production. It will be easy for me so that something doesn't happen in between the production. Next objective is to minimize the total maintenance cost, which includes cost of repair, cost of preventive maintenance, and inventory carrying costs due to spare parts inventory. The last one is to improve the quality of products and improve productivity. By having the machine in good working condition, we will be able to produce quality products. Next, we are going to see the types of maintenance. The first type is breakdown maintenance, second one is preventive, third one is predictive, fourth one is routine maintenance. First, let's see about breakdown maintenance. As the name suggests, corrective maintenance occurs when there is a work stoppage because of machine breakdown. It is some kind of method where inspection or the replacement of parts are not carried out until there is going to be a damage of the equipment. So only if there is going to be a particular damage, we are going to fix it or replace it. And next is preventive maintenance. It is a method of preventing damage to equipment by periodically replacing parts based on time of use and carrying out minor maintenance and inspections to find out the current state of equipment. For example, every month once I'll be checking out the oil of my vehicle, or every week I'll be cleaning my machines, or I'll be checking the bolt tightening, so that I will be trying to prevent something or some kind of damages which is going to happen in future. Next one is predictive maintenance. It is one of the newest type of maintenance that may be anticipated to gain increasing attention in what is going to happen. So while running a particular asset, we may sense some kind of unusual noise or burning smell in my particular machine, which will be able to, if we are going to be a trained employee in that particular equipment, we may feel that something is unusual, and we may stop the machine there itself and find out what is the problem in that stage itself, so that something big kind of damage is not going to happen. I will be trying to correct in that stage itself. Last one is routine maintenance. This is nothing but a periodical inspections I'm going to do on a regular basis. Whatever is going to be the situation, every week Sunday I'll be having a scheduled time. So every week Sunday I will stop the machine, and the cleaning, lubrication, everything will be taken care, so that in the next week when I'm going to start the production, nothing will happen. These are the various types of maintenance. Thank you for